everyone and welcome back to Crafty KYRA. And today's video is not going to be any craft video. As Ganesh Chaturthi is arriving, we will learn how to play Sukhkarta Dukharta on the piano. So let's get started. Dukharta and Shendur La Chadayo are the same. The first line goes like Sukhkarta Dukharta Varta Vignachi. I'll play it first. The notes are 1 time C sharp, 5 times F sharp, 2 times G sharp, and 1 time F. Second line goes like Nurvi Purvi Prema Krupa Jayachi. The notes are 1 time F, 4 times G sharp, 1 time F sharp, 3 times F, and 2 times F sharp. The third line is Sarvangi Sundara Utishendurachi. The notes are the same as the first line. The fourth line is Kantizar Kemara Mukta Faranchi. The notes are as same as the second line. The next line is Jai Dev Jai Dev. In this line we are going to play 2 notes at a time, C sharp and F sharp. So it will sound like. The next line is also Jai Dev Jai Dev, but the notes are a bit different. So we'll play 1 time C sharp and 5 times F sharp. The next line is Jai Mangal Murti. So it is playing like. The notes are 1 time F sharp, 2 times G sharp, 1 time F sharp, and 1 time F. The next line is Darshan Matre Mana Kamana Purti. The notes for this line are F, 4 times G sharp, 1 time F sharp, 3 times F, 1 time F sharp, and 1 time G sharp. So that will sound like. And now the next line is Jai Dev Jai Dev. The notes are same as the previous one. Now let's play the Aarti from beginning. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Crafty KYRA and hit the notification bell on. And share this video with your friends and buddies. And give this video a big thumbs up. Till then, be crafty. Bye.